Try natin. Sawadee ka mga kabudi. We have here pasalubong from Belgium.
Wow!
Chocolate bar that says courage. And then it has a brand here name. In French, it's read Côte d'Or. In English, it's Côte d'Or. Côte d'Or. Côte d'Or. Okay? So, this is from our friend or David's friend named Bart. It's very nice. So, he has pasalubong for me. So, unbox tayo. Yan. Inside, there are 2 bars. Silver bars. You know, Belgium is known for having the yummiest chocolate. Is it true, babe? Okay. Tagal ko na hindi nakakain ng chocolate because I restrained from eating sugar. Oh. So, Côte d'Or. Try natin. Parang siyang kakao. It's, oh my God, very yummy. Alam mo bakit? Because it's milky. Parang siyang, ano pareho niya? Ano siyang kapareho? Sarap niya sa bibig. Tutunaw. Oh my God. I cannot eat all kasi sobrang tamis. So sweet. Oh my God, I want to have it. I want to have this more next time. Yummy. Meron pala siyang late milk. Meaning chocolate milk siguro to. Yan, kung nasa Europe kayo, pasalubong kayo sa akin ito. But this is from Belgium. You can see that like milky inside. The white layer.